guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from March the 11th through the 17th. And I thought this week I would just do something a little bit different. I saw these stickers. I believe I got these at Joann's, and I love them, the hot air balloons. I think they are so pretty and vibrant. So I thought that I would just use this paper that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I just love the color combinations. I think it's going to be so pretty. And then I'm going to incorporate this Dollar Tree washi. It kind of looks like it has mountain peaks that maybe the hot air balloons are going up over. And it has all the colors in there. And then I'm going to use this Bic marker in Lime Sorbet that I hauled not long ago. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so happy everybody loved my fairy theme. I really like that one. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread, so I'm going to cut it first. This paper is just so vibrant and happy. I love it. It almost has a circus theme to me, almost. And this is beautiful. But Hobby Lobby had a sale on their paper, 4 for $1. So I was like, ooh, I'll just stock up on some unusual ones that I really like. Okay, so let's start putting our paper down like we want it. I think this is going to be a really fun spread. Okay, let's start gluing it down. I think that's really cute. This paper just looks so spring-like. I really do like it. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. This is cute. Okay, and I don't know, let me see if I want to put it, I think I will. I think it really adds, like I've said, a finished touch to it when you put it down through there. Okay. Alrighty, now we have our mountains for our hot air balloons. I just love these stickers. Now they're dimensional, but that really doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, you could always take the little foam off the back, but I like them. Okay, I think I will put this one. Maybe it's blowing this way for a change. It's blowing in, okay? And then I think I'll put this one maybe right here, blowing that way. This is just so cute. I love it. I just have the wind going every which way. It doesn't know which way it wants to go. Maybe put that one there. Maybe this one has landed. This one is almost landed. I think that is really cute, okay? So let me write just a few things I need to do down. Okay. All right, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But you can make a planner, you can decorate one very inexpensively with stickers from the Dollar Tree, or like I do, make my own stickers, or just stickers that you find that you really like. I think this is so bright and cheerful and so spring-like. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.